Today, Mr. Vijay H1 Naik, he is a resident of Bastora and native of Karnataka, lodged his complaint at Mausa Police Station, stating that on 7/7/25 at 2100 HRS in a temporary hut under construction site at Fondak ward of Parra, Bardis, two accused, namely Satya and Kabir, both residents of Odisha, with a common intention, commit the murder of a deceased by brutally assaulting him with deadly weapons, specifically targeting his vital parts, thereby causing his death. In this connection, crime number 103/2025 under section 103(1) of BNS 2023 has been registered at Mausa Police Station. Both the accused, the father and the son, are placed under arrest. All Supreme Court guidelines have been observed and they have referred for forensic medical at GMC. The name of the deceased is Drupada Naik, son of Tularam Naik, native of Gandimera, Kalahandi, Odisha. So, accused and deceased are from Odisha, and they were doing a labor work at the construction site at Fondak-Wada, Parra, and they were bring, as per the contractor, civil contractor of the construction site, एका दोघांकी रोकडा हाडलेले कामाक फ्रॉम कलंगूट, बोगदेवाडे कलंगूट सान तिका हाडलेले आनी 3 days they were working over there. These were 2 days and these two were 3 days, but they were coming in the morning, working over there, and they were going back to Kalangut. And this incident happened on 7th.
The motive witness.
The motive कळा सर कित्याक जालो incident?
मोटिव म्हणजे ते तिवूय पिलेले आसले, they were drunk. आणि आता accused जस्ट आम्ही अरेस्ट केला, तिका मेडिकलाक धाडल्या and they be brought over here and then we'll find out the motive.
So weapon जी आसा ती रिकवर केल्ली आसा?
Yeah, तितून weapon recover केला, crowbar, metal crowbar, kitchen knife and waist belt. तितले अजूनही क्लियर जावं काय तशें जावं वी आर अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग दॅट एंगल.
कितें इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळी की त्यांची पयलींची झगडी आसली वो ज्या टायमार ते काम करताले त्या टायमार तेंची झगडी जाली. ते अशें आयकून येयलें की हो क्रायम जावच्या पयलीं दिसा ढवळ्या तेंची झगडी चालू आसली म्हणून.
अशें येयला रिपोर्टार ते दोनपारा कितें झगडले म्हूण गेली आनी तेका ते लेबर कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान धाडवले थिंगाचे. सो आफ्टरनूनसान ते गेल्ले आनी मागीर इवनिंग परत पिवन येयले म्हणून ती आनी थिंगा जमायत परत झगडले आनी हो इन्सिडंट मागीर तिका लायटाक येयला.
सर ही केस जी आसा कितल्या वरां भितर सॉल्व केली तुमी?
विदीन 8 hours.
जेन्ना क्रायम जालो तेन्ना अशें कळना की ते दोगूय क्रायम सिरियलान पळोवन गेल्ले म्हणून?
हय, तेणी क्रायम कमीट केला आनी ते थिंगाले इमिजिएटली डिसअपियर जाले ते स्पॉटाचेर. फ्रॉम दॅट Fondak-Wada only, but in the field area, the surrounding area, they were hiding over there. Tenancy verification we have been checking at Kalamut. We'll be checking that where they are staying.
So
मारला तेका wound खंय खंय आसा?
wounds?
तेका सगळे मल्टिपल फ्रॅक्चर्स फेस डॅमेज हे केल्या, डॅमेज केला फूल आखी इंजरीज इन द फेस.
So चल्याचो रोल कितें आशिल्लो? They were already planned and suspect to be murdered.
चल्याचो म्हणजे
तो मर्डर करपाचो म्हणजे प्लॅन आसलो असो दिसता तुमकां? Because the son and the father both are involved into this case.
Yeah, so now it is not clear about this motive. So in maybe another 1 day we will be taking them on remand and we will clarify.
Is the Dickies known to the family members from the past?
They are family members.
That's family members.
No, we have to confirm that. That will be clarified. It will come. It will be clear during the course of investigation.
Yes.
All the working people are from the same place or different place?
Same, Odisha. Original from Odisha. And they were residing in Kalangur.
सो गिरी हायवेचेर एक्सिडेंट जालो आनी ऑन द स्पॉट तेची डेथ जाली. जे बसीचो ओनर आसलो ताका खंय तरी तुमी अरेस्ट केलेले. स्टेज खंय सद्या मेरेन खंय पावला?
हाडला ती बस हाडली आमी आनी ती बायकूय हाडल्या आनी होय आमच्या अंडर कस्टडीन आहा ड्रायव्हर. सो ताका आमी रिफर केला मेडिकल आल्कोहोलिक टेस्ट म्हणून.
सो पण कितें जालें एक्सिडेंट कसो जाल्लो कितें सांगला तेणे बस ड्रायव्हरान जेन्ना तुमी ताका हाडलो?
तो बस ड्रायव्हर म्हणजे ती बस इट्स मिनी बस पॅसेंजर बस प्रोसिडिंग फ्रॉम म्हापसा टू पेंजीम आनी हो डिजीज वॉज ऑल्सो प्रोसिडिंग फॉर हिज वर्क ड्युटी फ्रॉम करासोडा टू पेंजीम. सो तो सर्वीस रोडानसून तो भायर सोडटालो बस एंड ही वॉज कमींग फ्रॉम द टॉप द हायवे. तेणे ते फाटीन ताका डॅश मारली आनी ताका सोडून पडलो. तो पडलो आनी तेजी फाटीन रियर सायड तेजे वयल्यान गेली.
नाव कितें मेलाचे
कोणाचे हेजे
मेलाचे आनी दोगांनी
नारायण अभयंकर रेसिडेंट ऑफ रामनगर फुलवाली. व्हेकल ज्युपिटर 2 व्हीलर मग ती मिनी बस. प्रोसेस आहे ॲक्सिडेंट रजिस्टर
रिमांड बी घेतला सर तुम्ही त्याचे?
होय घेतले पण पळया तेजे आतां अंडर प्रोसेस आहा करतले.
But do the accused agree with this accident? Do he agree that the accident has?
No, agreements त्याचा विटनेस आय विटनेस आले न्हू.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.